Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change Steam region. But before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can help us into making more problem solving videos. And now let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm on Steam and logged into my Steam account. So of course, the first thing that you want to do is open the Steam app on your computer and log into your account. So you can find yourself in the homepage just like that. Now, if you want to change your country, you can do that by simply using a VPN. If you don't have a VPN, I recommend for you to download and install Proton VPN. I'll provide you with a link in the description down below. After you click that link, you'll be able to download Proton VPN for free. And you can see from here, you can choose whatever region you want to change to. And in my case, I already chose the Netherlands. Now, what I want to do is come back to Steam, come up here and to the top right corner and click on your name, as you can see, and a drop down menu will appear. From here, select the account details. And now, from this page, you see the store and purchase history section. You see this about your current country. And what you want to do is click on Update Store Country tab. Just like that, you will find yourself in this page, and this page informs you of what's gonna happen if you change your country. But don't worry about it. Once you do that and connect to a VPN of another region, Steam will automatically update your region after some time. Now, so that was all. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful. See you in the next one.